Welcome. In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Fit 4 and I'm gonna show you how to set a custom watch face on this watch. Basically, if you want to use your own image or a picture as a watch face. Before we start, if you want to set a custom watch face on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the HUAWEI Health application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue and then we can open the HUAWEI Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the health page. Now tap on devices icon to open the devices page. On this page, you should see HUAWEI Watch Fit 4 selected by tapping on it. And here, you should see the device page for your watch, and under your watch, there should be watch faces category. It's possible you're missing this category, and if you are, I might have potential fix. I'm not sure it works fully, but my theory is that when you install the HUAWEI Health application for the first time, you were asked to select a service region, and I believe some of the regions don't support some of the features. So one fix could be trying to reinstall the application and selecting a different service region. For example, I used United Kingdom and I have the watch faces and app gallery, so it's working fine for me. So you could try to do that and hopefully that will work for you. And once you see the watch faces category, you can tap on more. It will open the watch face store. Now we need to tap on mine, my watch faces or my faces. And here you will see the gallery watch face. If you don't see it, tap on manage local watch faces and then it will be right here on the list. Tap on it. And right here we can customize our watch face. So first we can add an image to our watch face. So tap on images and you have take photo or select image. Take photo, it will open the camera app. You can take a photo and use it as a watch face, and select image allows you to basically pick an image from your phone. So let's tap on take photo, for example. While using the app, I'm gonna take a picture rather. And then I'm gonna confirm. And now we need to crop the image because the whole image won't fit on the watch face. So we can zoom in and zoom out and move left and right, up and down. So crop the image the way you like and then tap on the check mark. And here we have a preview of our watch face. You can also add multiple images. So we can tap on this one, and this time I'm gonna tap on select image. Allow. We can tap on screenshots, I guess. No screenshots, essential space, not either. I don't have any other photos on this phone. What if I... Okay, I'm just gonna take another photo. So take photo. And something else. Maybe this one. Okay. Tap on the check mark. Grab the image. This. Tap on the check mark, and now we have multiple photos on the watch face. And once you add the photos, you can customize your watch face even further. We have the color, so basically you can put like a tint or filter, I would call it, on your watch face. You can change the position or the type of the clock, or style rather. So select the one you like. Then you can change the font of the clock, how it looks like. You can change the position. You can change the color of the clock. And you can also add some data features like basically widget, and you can add something like steps, heart rate and stuff like that. So for example, battery and let's say steps. Okay. You can also enable the option that waking up the screen on your watch will cycle between the watch faces. So if you turn it on, it will do that. And as you can see, we need to customize each background separately. So we can tap right here, change the type of the clock, change the font, location, color of the time. Okay, And once you're done customizing your watch face, you can tap on apply, and it will be uploaded to your watch, and then once it's done, it should be applied to your watch. So let's wait. And here we have it. And to cycle between different watch faces, if you have more than one, simply tap on the current watch face, like that. And if you enable the option to cycle between them when you wake up the screen, so each time you wake up the screen, it should cycle between the watch faces. Come on. For some reason, now it's working. Yeah. Okay, and that's how you set the custom image or custom watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.